In the past video, we have looked on two types of inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance and single level inheritance. In this video, we will look at hierarchical inheritance. So let's see what is hierarchical inheritance first. So it is same as inheriting from your grandparents and similar to real life. So we have a class A. From class A to class B, this is single level inheritance. Similarly, from class A to class C, so this is hierarchical. So in this video, we will look on an example of animal class, which acts as an A class. So animal class acts as an A class, and then we will have two animals, random animals. Let us take as cat and dog. So both are derived from animal class. But have their own specialization. Like cat have claws, dogs can bark. So we'll look at this example in programming. So let's create a class named animal. So let's give a method eat. Since every animal needs to eat to live, we'll give basic method eat. Let's say it prints eating. Now I'll create another class named dog. As I told in the drawing, dog have special characteristic that it can bark rather than meowing like cat. So we'll have a method bark. Last class cat. So cat can meow. So we will have a void method. So these two classes inherits the property of animal. Since this is hierarchical, extends is the keyword used to implement animal. Similarly for cat, So we have created the two classes, cat, dog, and parent class is called as animal class. So these two are base class and animal is the parent class. So I'll create an object for dog and cat. So now we will check these two whether dog can extend eat and cat can extend meowing. We'll call all these things. So first we will finish dog d1 dot eat d1 dot bar. Now we will see cat c1 dot eat c1 dot this class is called as a test class to test all these inheritance. So let's check the output. First we call d1 dot eat eating, then d1 dot bark barking, d1 c1 dot eat eating, c1 dot meowing, c1 dot meow, which is meowing. That's in this video. If you have not seen other two inheritance Java, you can see in the next video. I have given the link in this.